Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wild life is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about our solar system's planets, day lengths, and year lengths. Our solar system has 8 planets, and each of the planets in our solar system have different day lengths and year lengths. On this Adventurous Kids episode, you will learn about the planets of our solar system, different day lengths, and how long their years are. How long is the day on each planet in our solar system? Mercury is approximately 176 Earth days, or 1,408 hours. Venus is 243 Earth days, or 5,832 hours. Earth is easy for you to remember, 24 hours, which makes up a full day because that's how many is in a day, or 86,400 seconds. That's a lot of seconds. Mars is 24 hours, 37 minutes, and 22 seconds. Jupiter is 9 hours and 56 minutes. Saturn is 10 hours, 33 minutes, and 38 seconds. Uranus, 17 hours and 14 minutes. Neptune, 16 hours and 6 minutes. When you think of a day, you would normally think of one cycle of daytime to nighttime. That is called a solar day. On Earth, a solar day is around 24 hours. However, Earth's orbit is elliptical, meaning it's not a perfect circle. That means some solar days on Earth are a few minutes longer than 24 hours, and some are a few minutes shorter. Another way to measure a day is to count the amount of time it takes for a planet to completely spin around and make one full rotation. This is called a sidereal day. On Earth, a sidereal day is almost exactly 23 hours and 56 minutes. How long is the year on each planet in our solar system? In Earth days, Mercury 88 days, Venus 225 days, Earth 365 days, Mars 687 days, Jupiter 4,333 days, Saturn 10,759 days, Uranus 30,687 days, Neptune 6,190 days. Wow. I mean, that's a lot of days. A year on Earth is approximately 365 days. Why is that considered a year? Well, 365 days is about how long it takes for Earth to orbit all the way around the sun. One time. Down on one. It's not exactly this simple though. An Earth year is actually about 365 days plus approximately 6 hours. Planets that orbit closer to the sun than Earth have shorter years than Earth. Planets that orbit farther from the sun than Earth have longer years than Earth. Planets farther from the sun have longer years because they have a larger orbital path to travel and weaker gravitational pull from the sun at that distance causes them to move slower. taking more time to complete one orbit around the sun. This is explained by Kepler's laws of planetary motion. Kepler's law of planetary motion explains how planets move around the sun, stating that planets orbit in oval shapes called ellipses with the sun at one end of the oval, and that planet moves faster when it's closer to the sun and slower when it's further away, all while sweeping out across equal areas of space in equal amounts of time. Basically, planets don't travel in perfect circles around the sun, but in slightly oval paths, and their speed changes depending on their distance from the sun. Now, here's an interesting question. Does the sun have an orbit? Yes, the sun does have an orbit. It orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy, which is a large collection of stars that our solar system is part of. Essentially, the sun, along with all the planets in our solar system, are circling around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is moving with an average velocity of 450,000 miles per hour. Dang, boy, that's an orbit on a whiskey. But even at that speed, it takes about 230 million years for the sun to make one complete trip around the Milky Way. The sun rotates on its axis as it revolves around the galaxy. Thank you for watching this Adventurous Kids episode. Yeah!
What did you learn today? Adventurous kids. Adventurous kids. What was the most interesting fact? Adventurous kids. Adventurous kids. Adventurous